Good day, everyone. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This video is an update to one of the lessons or tutorial I uploaded, one of the videos I uploaded on how to install Python IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, into your mobile phone, that is your Android phone. There was a part that was skipped, and that is the part of installing Python repository. Now, for you to successfully install the necessary libraries you will need to use to work, you have to install Python repository, which is what I'm touching here because I'm not connected to the internet. So you can see it's already installed. It's already installed. So make sure you install it. After you install it, then before you can now go to your Python 3, that is the Python application you've installed on your phone already, as I said. Then you can now go to your options, then go to pip, and then type the library you want to install. One of the first library you should download should be pandas. So you type pandas and you press the install button. I already have it, so that's why I won't need to press the install button. So once it's installed, you've installed your pandas and the necessary libraries. As you move along in your data analysis journey, when you encounter new projects, you will need new libraries or different libraries. So as you go along, you install the necessary libraries. So once you install the library, so since you installed pandas as an example, then you use the word import pandas. Then you can now work with the pandas libraries. Thank you.